let's just jump right into it. I chose to make a shelf out of Posterboard. You can use cardboard or wood. I chose Posterboard. I started off by using a really sharp X-Acto knife. Please use safety first, and I don't recommend this tool for children. These measurements are not standard. They're just the measurements that I chose for my project. Here I'm cutting out the slots in the Posterboard where I'm going to insert my shelves. Where did I go wrong in this project? Here, by using this rigid material and a napkin that I thought had a nice pattern to it. Once I opened the napkin up, I discovered the pattern was only down the center. Yet, me being who I am, I thought, I'm still gonna make this work. However, I decided after going ahead using these materials, I didn't like it and I ripped it all off. In figuring out a solution, I chose contact paper to cover over one side of the board. So now that I have my contact paper on, I have a blank canvas using that gray paint. I am not sure why I'm presenting it as if it's some magic trick. However, I'm just trying to indicate that I just poured it directly onto the surface, and then I use that foam brush to just dipple it or tap it or pounce it onto the contact paper. After applying the gray paint, I then applied a coat of the sterling gray metallic paint, and I allowed that to dry overnight. Okay, this is not an exact science, you guys, and that light was there for me to see. Sorry. I'm deciding whether I want to use the spray adhesive or the Mod Podge. Ultimately, I chose the Mod Podge. I had better control of not allowing it to bleed through the fabric, and plus I wasn't sure that the spray adhesive would make the fabric yellow over time, even though it's just a temporary project. The strips that I have decided to use as an added support underneath the shelves, and I applied those using a glue gun. I mentioned I did not cut through the fabric. This is what I mean, so the outside of the shelf can be continuous. I am attempting to show you all the part where I applied the white cording. I apologize, my original footage got damaged and I was recording this with my laptop, you guys. I want to thank you for your time, and I want to express that I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy.